Hello, my name is William, and in this video we will be looking at how to answer volume questions. During the video you can pause at any moment to try and answer the question yourself before I show you how to do it. What is volume? Note, area equals length times width. An area is 2D, two-dimensional, but volume equals length times width times height. This is three-dimensional. This is 3D. Type into Google volume meaning in maths and you can see it at the top. If we scroll down, people also ask, what is volume in simple words? The volume of an object is a measure of the amount of space occupied by that object. So, volume is the amount of space inside a 3D object. In this video, we will be going through many volume questions to do with cubes and cuboids. Let's begin. A brick is 100 millimeters wide, 200 millimeters long, and 60 millimeters high. What is the volume of one brick? Give your answer in centimeter cubed. Because it's telling us to give it in centimeter cubed, let's just change it all into centimeter. The first one is 10 centimeter, the second one is 20, and the last one is 6. Because to go from millimeter to centimeter, we divide by 10, because 10 millimeter equal 1 centimeter. So then we have it, volume equals length times width times height equals 10 times 20 times 6. This is 200 times 6 equals 1200 centimeter cubed. Here is the net of a cube. The full length is 12 centimeters. What is the volume of this cube? Because it is 12 going along, we have 4 squares going along as well. So 4 squares equals 12. But 1 square is equal to 3 centimeters, and this is the length. But this is a cube, so the length, width, and height are the same. They are all 3 centimeter. Once again, volume equals length times width times height. And we have it. 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27 centimeter cubed. A box is made in a woodwork class. The box has a volume of 2A8. What is the width of the box? This is a cuboid. Volume equals length times width times height. That means 12 times 4 times something equals 2A8. So what is this something? The width. Now we could do 12 times 4 equals 48 and then divide by 2A8. But why make the numbers bigger? Let's just make them smaller straight away. We've got timesing by 12 on the left, so we need to do the opposite. Let's do 2A8 divide 12 first. So pause the video, work it out. What is it? I'll give you 5 seconds. The answer is 24. We have timesing by 4 on the left, so let's put that to the right. So we divide by 4. And there we have it. The width is 24 divided 4 equals 6. How to check you got it right? 4 times 6 is 24. 24 times 12. We can break it down. 24 times 10 is 240. 24 times 2 is 48. 240 plus 48 equals 288. So we checked it, and we know we've got this question right. The width is 6. Here is another example if you got the previous question wrong. Same question, different numbers. The box has a volume of 144. What is the width of the box? We have 9 centimeters as the height, 8 centimeters as the length. So what's the width? Pause the video to have a go, or I'll give you 5 seconds. So I hope you pause the video just to try this question. Let's lay it out exactly like before. Length times width times height equals volume. 9 times 8 times question mark equals 144. And then we reverse it. So instead of timesing by 9, we divide by 9. So 8 times something equals 144 divided 9 equals 16. Now 8 times something equals 16, so we reverse it again. So the question mark is 16 divided 8 equals 2. So the width of this box is 2. How can we check this? We just put it all together. Volume equals 9 times 8 equals 72. Times 2 equals 144. So we know we got this question correct. Victor is tidying away his toys. Each toy is a cube block, 5 centimeters wide. How many cubes will fit inside his cuboid-shaped box? This is the big box at the top, and all these toys are the little cubes at the bottom. Now, one way we can do this is we work out the volume for the small one, the volume for the big one, and then divide them. But the problem with this is we will get a very big number. So I don't want to suggest you do it this way. So let's compare length, width, and height. How many 5s will fit into 45? 9. That means we can lay out 9 rows of cubes. How many 5s will fit into 35? 7. There are 7 columns of cubes. 9 rows and 7 columns means in total, so far, there are 9 times 7 equals 63 cubes. And finally, the width. How many 5s fit into 25? There are 5 widths. Hence, the total number of cubes in this big box is 63 times 5. Pause the video just to quickly do this, or I'll give you 5 seconds. The answer is 315. So inside this box we can fit 315 of these cubes. Now that sounds like a lot, but imagine in real life this could be Lego. This question is almost the same as before, just different numbers. However, this one is more difficult. Look at the numbers: 39, 27.5 and 18. Same question, how many cubes will fit inside his cuboid-shaped box? So firstly we ask, how many 5s will fit into 39? Seven, remainder 4. But we can't have part of a cube, so really there are 7 rows of cubes. How many 5s will fit into 18? Three, remainder 3. Hence there are 3 widths of cubes. There are 7 rows, 3 widths, hence there are 21 cubes so far. How many 5s will fit into 27.5, the height? This is 5 remainder 2.5. Total cubes will be 21 times 5 equals 105. If you enjoyed the video, why not give it a like and subscribe to the channel at the same time? Don't forget to hit that bell, because then you'll get notified each time I release a new video. If you want to support the channel, there's a link in the description below.